From Sermax, the world leader in gas analysis. The ServoPro MonoExact DF150E Oxygen Analyzer. Designed for a range of industrial applications and built around the latest innovations in software and hardware, including a digital coulometric oxygen sensor, providing stable parts per million measurements with 3 new ranges from 0 to 10,000 parts per million, and our 3 traditional ranges from 0 to 5,000 parts per million, with an accuracy of plus or minus 5% of reading and a full range precision of 0.05%, and suffer limited drift. The MonoExact DF150E is an advanced successor to the ServoPro DF150E. At just half the weight of the original, it's easier to install and operate, and is fully backwards compatible, which means it complies with existing standards and customer agreements, and makes it easy to upgrade. This enables customers to benefit from many new features, including a high-brightness color touchscreen display, with a simple icon-driven, guided, intuitive user interface, which means there are minimal training needs, no sensor calibration requirements, and a 5-year warranty on the sensor, resulting in a reduced cost of ownership. Typical applications include glove boxes, heat treating, solder reflow ovens, laboratories, and industrial gas production. The ServoPro MonoExact DF150E, the trusted choice for your industrial applications.